So it's been proven that videos convert sales way better than images do. The customer can't see or touch your Amazon product, so a video is the next best thing. It gives the customer an easier time envisioning themselves utilizing your product, captures their attention for longer, and has the ability to evoke stronger emotions compared to a still image. So tell me, why are you watching this video instead of reading instructions on how to do it? Point proven. So today I'm going to show you without brand registry how you can upload a video to your listing in the US marketplace. This may not work for foreign marketplaces, so you'll have to comment below and let me know which marketplaces you've tried and if they worked or not. Now let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so we're going to go to Menu, Inventory, and click Upload and Manage Videos. And at the bottom here, click Upload Video. Okay, so this is where you're going to upload your video. You can either drag and drop the file, or you can click Upload Video and browse for it on your computer. And there are some video requirements that you have to follow. So it can be a .mp4 or .mov file, and it recommends 480p or higher for quality. So make sure you read this fine print at the bottom. Here it says that it does not want you to include any kind of links at all, or any social media handles, profiles, anything like that. So basically anything that would direct the customer away from Amazon's platform. It also says ensure that your video is in the dominant language of the store, so for me that's English, and that the products tagged are included in the video. For any questions, see our community guidelines. So you can click there and it will give you some more information. But what I do want to touch on is there's actually an Upload and Manage Videos FAQ section. So this section might answer questions that you may have about uploading videos to your listing page. For example, if your video happens to get rejected, there's a section here on rejected videos. So it says, how do I find the rejection reason for my video? How do I update my video after it has been rejected? So you can click on the question and it will bring you down here, and it walks you through how to find the rejection reason. And then it states here that you can't edit the video that's been rejected, so you have to make the changes to your video and then re-upload it, like go through the whole process again. So let's go back to the upload video page. So once you've selected the file to upload, then you can move over to title. So you can strategically do keyword research for the title of your video because you are going to be indexing for these keywords. You can make the title up to 60 characters long and it will be shown to customers. So keep that in mind when you're writing the title, and you don't want to keyword stuff because Amazon doesn't like that and customers don't like that either. Now under related product, this is where you're going to copy and paste the ASIN or ASINs that you want your video to appear under. So if you have a product that has variations and you want your video to appear under all the variations, you can go ahead and paste the ASIN of all those variations in this section here. Now for the thumbnail, this is going to be a still image that is shown to the customer before they click play on your video. So this thumbnail is actually going to act as your, I believe it's the 7th image on your product listing. So you can keep that in mind as you're crafting up your thumbnail image, and it's going to be 1920 by 1080 pixels at a 16:9 ratio recommended. And then the file type is going to be either a JPEG, PNG, GIF, or BMP, and keep it under 5 megabytes. And you can create this thumbnail on Canva. Canva is free, it's awesome. I use it for all my thumbnails and everything like that. So I'll be sure to link that down below for you guys. And then once everything is filled out, you can go ahead and click submit. So when you go back to manage videos, it's going to show up here. It's going to be in review status, and it should take approximately 24 to 48 hours for Amazon to review it. And like I mentioned before, if it gets rejected, Amazon, they're going to give you a reason. So then you can just fix those reasons and then re-upload the video and go through the process again. But if your video was approved, it will say published. And once it says published, it might take another 24 hours for it to actually appear on your listing. Or if it's been over the 24 hours, you might have to remove one of your listing images because you can only have so many at one time. So maybe removing a listing image will open up a spot for your video to appear. Okay, so let's go back to the listing that we were just looking at. So I've heard that, and I haven't tested this myself, but I've heard that you can actually upload multiple videos and have them appear in your listing images. But keep in mind, it will take up the space of your listing image. And now that I think about it, I don't think I've personally seen a listing that has more than one video on it, like in place of the listing photos. So I don't know. Comment below if you know. But okay, let's scroll down the listing here because there's actually another place that your video shows up in. Now there's this video section here, and if we scroll over, you'll see that this is the video that the seller has uploaded, but also customers have a chance to upload their own video and it will appear under this section. So when you click on it, they're basically going through the exact same process. They do the title, a thumbnail, and then it filled in the ASIN for them here. And I have heard through the grapevine that you can have friends and family upload a video on your listing for you. And it's apparently not against terms of service, but proceed with caution with that because you never know with Amazon. So you could technically film the video for the family member, send it to them, and then they upload it. And then you'll have multiple videos showing up under your listing. But again, please proceed with caution. I don't actually know if that's against terms of service or not because Amazon doesn't let your family members write reviews for you, so why would they let you upload a video? I don't know. Again, if you know, comment below. I'm curious. If you don't have a video created yet for your product, I will link a video creation service below that I use and trust myself. I think I can even get you a sneaky discount code. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like so it can spread to and help more people. If you love this video, then you will love this playlist here of my other Amazon content, or maybe you can check out this video here. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future Amazon videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!